Put your, so go down one stairs and bring your, bring up one leg, like if you're coming up the stairs. Yeah, but come over this way a little bit. Right there. Perfect. And your heels pointed a little bit more this way. Bring your legs over this way as well. There we go. Perfect. All right, hang on. Before you take off your jacket, don't take it off just yet. Yeah, that's gonna work. Okay, Ben, do me a favor. Bring that light, if possible, because I know it's right on the edge. Push it towards the building a little bit. Right. And I think you just need to adjust it on her face to the light. Is it hitting her face? Okay. Now you can lose the jacket. Yeah, I like that actually. Put your hands how you had it. You had your hand just hanging between your legs, like so. Hang on. It was like, yeah. And you're looking towards that light, and then eyes to me. Ben, I need that light in her face if you can. I got it. 1, 2, 3. See how this is. 1. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. That flash needs to be a little bit more towards on her. Right now, where is it facing? More right? More. Push it towards the left a little bit so it could fall on her a little bit more. Yeah, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, no, that light, bring it in closer. Maybe bring it in closer to her. Let me test that. Hang on. All right, you know what? Take that other light out, the 8200 light, and you're gonna hand hold it and put it behind and go behind her on the left. Now you be in the shot. Maybe. I don't know if, is there a path opening up here? Oh, no. Actually, that's gonna cast a whatchamacallit. Is there a path up there?
You might want to
secure it. All right, yeah, that should work. Is it on group B right there? Is it on group B? All right, hang on. Yep. All right. Let me see if it fires. Okay, cool. All right, this is just a test. This is a test. All right, let me reduce that power. If you could elevate it up a little bit so that it doesn't hit the ground so much. Hang on, I'm just testing it here. Let me see. Yeah, that's better, much better. I like that. All right, we lose the jacket. And you're gonna do the same exact thing that you were just doing there. One, two, three. Gorgeous. One more. 1, 2, 3. Awesome. That's me. No, you didn't. Okay, step up on that platform. Step up on the platform part. And you could then push from, yeah. And just bend that elbow just a little bit. That one on your left, yeah. Too much, it feels too forced. Just bring it up a little bit so it could be bent. Instead of bringing it up, just, and push it out a little bit. Push it out. There we go. All right, and then turn your face towards that light. There we go. All that. 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Hang on, don't move. Don't you move. What was that? Seems like he didn't care, which is good for me. All right. Let's see. All right. All right, 1, 2, 3. Awesome. Turn your face slightly towards me and then eyes to me. 1, 2, 3. All that one more time. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. Hang on, don't move. Just messed up something. Come on, focus. There you are. All that, don't move. 1. Come on, focus. 1. When it gets dark, it's kind of hard to focus. 1, 2, 3. Nicely done. One more. 1, 2, 3. That looks nice. That looks great. Let me get a close up. So right there, you're looking towards me. That's nice, actually. That's nice. That's nice. Hang on. 1, 2, 3. See how that looks. Hang on. Let's add a little bit more ambience into this. All right, ready? Turn your face towards that light a little bit more. Eyes to me. Maybe bring your, but turn your, yeah, there we go. And then turn your face towards that light. There we go, hold that. Eyes to me. 1, 2, 3. Nice. One more. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. Hang on. Fogging this stuff up again. Turn your face a little bit more towards that light. And bend, feather yours away a little bit. All right, hang on. Chin down a little bit. There we go. Eyes to me. 1, 2, 3. Gorgeous. All right. Jacket. And then you could take a look at this. Ben, you can relax. Come on down.